Would you like to get a credit as a producer of a film? Is that possible? Normally, only the rich can invest in films and have all the prestige that goes with it. But we are giving you the unique chance of having the prestige of making a British film happen. The Secret Pass is an action-adventure movie set in England and Eastern Europe. Heath and Annie get caught up in a CIA MI6 covert action on a flight to Berlin. Russian assassins are hunting them down because they have the Secret Pass, which is more powerful than you could possibly imagine. But they don't know it. Terrifying car chases, bullets flying all around, being chased by the toughest looking guys you can imagine. Do you want to be a part of this film? Do you want to make it happen? Have you ever wanted to be a film producer? Anyone who puts money into a film, the production company can give them the title of a producer. Well, now's your opportunity. Make a donation and receive a fantastic looking certificate, which you can frame and hang in a place for all to see. Make a donation as little as $35 and receive your bronze certificate with your name on it as an associate producer. Each level of producer is the importance on a film set. The more you donate, the more important you are. So make a donation of only $70 and receive your platinum certificate with your name on it as a co-producer. Want to be a top guy on a film set? If you really want to be a big shot, make a donation of only $100 and receive your silver certificate with your name on it as a producer. The most important person on a film set is the executive producer, who the director and actors have the highest regard for. If you really want to be the most powerful person on the production, make a donation of only $200 and receive your gold certificate with your name on it as the powerful executive producer. Don't delay. We won't be making this offer forever. Make your donation now and be a producer and have a great-looking certificate on your wall to prove it. Be a producer now.